Right guys, let's make a quick video about this interesting bike. This is the G50 of John Cronshaw Racing. You'll know that name from the Unity BSA. That bike was sponsored by my granddad's shop, Unity Equip. This bike is a G50 that is ridden by John Cronshaw's son, Mark. It's been brought in to get the front pipe remade, as the titanium one that it had keeps on cracking at the front. John said he's on his second pipe and he don't want another one making if it's going to keep on cracking. So I've made this one out of mild steel and we're going to compare it to see how much it weighs compared to the titanium one. This is the titanium pipe, and if you look here, that's what's happened to it. That's basically happened because titanium's lightweight, but it's also brittle. And because of all the heat changes in it, I think it's just cracked from that weld there outwards. It's welded down the back because it's tapered. That's been sand bent, and I think it's probably something I can do. I can sand bend pipe, I reckon I can sand bend titanium, but I'm not too confident in welding it. So what I said I'd do is, instead of making it out of titanium, which I'm not happy with, this is featherweight by the way, you can like lift it with a finger, I said I'd hydroform it, which is as close as I can get to it being light. Now let's have a look, let's see how light it is. So this pipe went on there, the one that I've hydroformed, near enough an exact copy. That's what the titanium weighs, 0.6 kilograms or 20 ounce. That's what mine weighs, 0.7 kilograms or 23 ounce, which is a 15% increase. Not much at all. Not much at all when you compare that to a steel pipe. It's made out of 0.8 mild steel, that. And if I made one out of exhaust tube, which is 1.6 mil thick, let's go and grab one of them. This is the equivalent in exhaust tube. I've cut that to the right length, about 820 mil. And it's about the right diameter. The pipes that we've been fitting, the titanium pipe, this hydroform pipe, they're tapered. But take a rough average of that, and we're just using it as a quick demonstration. This one weighs 51 ounces or 1.45 kilograms. That, compared to the titanium pipe, is an increase of 155%. So let's just have a look at that, because we know that my pipe's not much different. It's 15% different from the titanium pipe. This one obviously weighs twice as much as that pipe that I've hydroformed. So this one's made out of 1.6 mild steel. That one's made out of 0.8 mil mild steel. Obviously, it's going to weigh twice as much in it. 51 ounce, 23 ounce. So it's a bit more. I don't know why it's a bit more. It just is a bit more. Maybe that's a slightly bigger diameter. Maybe it's a bit longer. But I'm quite impressed that we've got that mild steel pipe to be so close to the titanium pipe. So yeah, you'll see that racing in the CRMC. You'll see it at all your local tracks in Racing in Classic Series. He's a front runner, so just watch for the front guys. Mark will be there.